This video is all about how to express or how to say there is, there isn't, and there's none in Hiligaynon or in Ilonggo. To express there is, there isn't, and there's none in Hiligaynon, let us have the following. The first one, how to say there is, you can either say may ara or may dyan. May ara, may dyan. There is. To say there isn't, it's either wala or wara. But wala is more of Hiligaynon and wara is more of Karaya. Wala, wara. To say there are many or there are lots of, that is madamo or duro. Madamo, duro. Madamo is kind of like Hiligaynon, and when we say duro, it's somewhat Karaya. May ara, may dyan. Wala, wara. Madamo, duro. Let us have the following practice questions which are answerable by may ara, wala, and madamo. So the first one here is may kwarta kada. May kwarta kada. When we say kwarta, that's money. Kwarta. May kwarta kada. That means do you have money in there? May kwarta kada. So you can either answer like you have money, like you have no money, or you have lots of money. So to answer I have money or there is money, I do have money, you say may ara ako kwarta or may ara ako sang kwarta. If you have no money, you can say wala ako sang kwarta. Wala ako sang kwarta. If you want to tell that person that you indeed have lots of money, you say madamo ako sang kwarta. Madamo ako sang kwarta. May kwarta kada, may ara ako sang kwarta. Wala ako sang kwarta. Madamo ako sang kwarta. May ballpen ka, may ballpen ka. Do you have a ballpen? May ballpen ka. And then to answer this, that you do have indeed a ballpen, you reply with may ara ako sang ballpen or may ara ako ballpen, which means I have a ballpen. May ara ako ballpen. Wala ako sang ballpen. That means I have no ballpen. Wala ako sang ballpen or wara ako sang ballpen. Madamo ako sang ballpen. That means I have lots of ballpens. Kasi when we say madamo, that means many or lots of. Madamo ako sang ballpen. I have lots of ballpens. May ballpen ka? May ara ako ballpen. May ara ako sang ballpen. Wala ako sang ballpen. Madamo ako sang ballpen. May salakyan ka? May salakyan ka? When we say salakyan, that's a car. May salakyan ka means do you have a car? May salakyan ka. To answer that you do have a car, you reply with may ara ako salakyan or may dyan ako nga salakyan. If you have no car, you reply with wala. Or just if you want to answer in a complete sentence, you can say wala ako sang salakyan. Or if you have lots of cars, more than one, you reply with madamo ako sang salakyan. Madamo ako sang salakyan. So if someone asks you if you have a car, may salakyan ka, you can just answer may ara. It's understandable that you do have a car. If you have no car, you can just reply with wala. And if you have lots of car, you can also just say madamo. May salakyan ka, may ara or may dyan. Or may salakyan ka, wala ako, salakyan or wala. Or if someone asks, may salakyan ka, you can just say madamo. May salakyan ka, may ara ako sang salakyan. Wala ako sang salakyan or madamo ako sang salakyan. May libayon ka, may libayon ka. When we say libayon, that's a sibling. May libayon ka, do you have a sibling? To answer that you have a sibling, you can reply with may ara ako libayon or may dyan ako nga libayon. That means I have a sibling, may ara. If you have no sibling, you can say wala ako sang libayon or wara ako sang libayon. That means I have no sibling. If you have lots of siblings, more than one, you can reply with madamo. Or if you want to answer in a complete sentence, you can say madamo ako sang mga libayon. May libayon ka, may ara ako nga libayon. May libayon ka, wala ako sang libayon. May libayon ka, madamo ako sang mga libayon. Next is may relo ka. When we say relo, that's a watch. May relo ka. That means, do you have a watch? May relo ka? You can either reply may ara, wala, or madamo. Just that is already understandable, but you can also answer in a complete sentence. May relo ka, may ara ako sang relo, or may ara ako nga relo. May relo ka, wala ako sang relo. Wala ako sang relo or wara ako sang relo. May relo ka, madamo ako sang mga relo. Madamo ako sang mga relo. May relo ka, may ara ako nga relo. May relo ka, may ara ako nga relo. May relo ka, wala ako sang relo. May relo ka, madamo ako sang mga relo. The last one is may kadtuan ka. May kadtuan ka. That means will you go somewhere? May kadtuan ka. To answer with the affirmative that you do have a place to or you'll be going somewhere, you can reply with may ara or wala, which means I have nowhere to go, wala, or if you have lots of places to see or to visit or you'll be going somewhere, like lots of places, you can just reply with madamo. May kadtuan ka, may ara, wala, or madamo. But of course, you can answer in a complete sentence. May kadtuan ka, may ara ako kadtuan. May kadtuan ka, wala ako sang kadtuan. May kadtuan ka, madamo ako sang mga kadtuan. Once again, when we say there is, in Hiligaynon, that is may ara or may dyan. To say there isn't, it's either wala or wara. And to say there are lots of or many, you can say madamo or duro. May ara, may dyan, wala, wara, madamo, duro. And that's all for this video, which is about how to say there is, there isn't, and there's none in Hiligaynon or Ilonggo. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Madamo gid nga salamat, kag halong gid pirmi. Thank you very much and take care always.